I have got 25 large capacity shoe bags. This was gifted to me from the company so I could help make this review. So each of these bags, again, there's 25 of them, and you can see the drawstrings and the different color choices of each bag. So let's take a look at just one of the bags. So here is the bag. The size is 11.8 by 15.7. So pretty large capacity. And you're able to cinch it together with the drawstring to keep it nice and tight and closed. So sneakers, flats, slippers, so many choices here. I have a pair of flats I'm going to try and put in so you can see. So those go really well and fit really well with a lot of extra room. Okay, let me show you a bigger shoe. This is kind of like let's try a sneaker. These are like women's size 11. So this is a pretty good size shoe. And so let's show you what that looks like here. We've got two, again, size 11, and we'll cinch it up just like that. Again, still quite a bit of room, nice space. It protects your shoe so it wouldn't get your suitcase messy or dirty. It's this waterproof material. It's durable. It's a sturdy PE material. Let me show you a men's pair of shoes. These are men's size 12s. We'll put those in. Okay, so men's size 12. Pretty large as well. Still lots of room. These can do so much more than just shoes. Toiletries, toys, games. There's so many choices that you could pick from to use with these cosmetics, anything for travel. So I would definitely click on this to get, if you need some sturdy bags to travel with, to protect your items, check these out.